हेलो हेलो हेलो। आज हम करने वाले हैं एसएससी सीजीएल का मॉक नंबर 17 टेस्ट बुक का फुल टेस्ट। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। +1 19 20 14 9 +2 अच्छा +2 8 J +3 D होना चाहिए। नो माइनस एंड डिवाइड मल्टीप्लाई से कुछ ना कुछ तो होना चाहिए। मल्टीप्लाई 24 नो डिवाइड एंड प्लस 6 2 6 3 8 3 24 16 +3 19 A is the brother of B. A is the brother of B. B is the brother of C. C is the husband of D. E is the father of A. E is the father of A. D is E D को क्या बोलेगा? E का E D को क्या बोलेगा? Daughter in law. हाँ -3 8 8 17 16 16 16 बेकार लॉजिक है। इधर वाला ऊपर आ जाता है, फिर इधर वाला ऊपर आ जाता है, इधर वाला ऊपर आ जाता है, फिर इधर वाला इधर जाके क्रॉस आएगा, इधर क्रॉस में आएगा। ठीक है। और ये क्या है? ये नया आ रहा है हर बार ना। क्रॉस फिर तीर इधर, क्रॉस तीर इधर, कौन सा लाइट क्रॉस है तो ये भी कट गया। ये बार तो आ ही नहीं सकता, स्टार आएगा नया वाला। A person is looking in the north direction. He moves 12 meters straight and rotate 180 degree. वापस इधर moves 9 meters, then turns right and reach the final position point. What is the shortest distance between the final and initial point? Minute. 12 minutes straight, and after rotating 180 degree, he moves 9 meter to the right. 4 3 3 3 5 3 15 meters. 16 17 20 21 12 3 7 8 15 -1 -1 18 -1 17 8 -1 8 + 1 9 हो रहा है। तो P 16 + 2 20 + 2 8 + 2 13 16 15 5 13 18 9 18 18 +2 +3 +4 +5 +5 होना चाहिए यहाँ से क्रॉस में। +2 +3 +4 18 +4 22 ठीक है, +5 24 +5 सही है। +2 -2 हो रहा है यहाँ। 12 +2 +2 पुंगी बजाकर। Detergent should be To clean clothes. Detergent from. They have to remove retain. Should be to clean clothes. -18, -17, -16, 16 -15, -14, 68, 7, 70 -27, 36, 5 -54, 'Now how many such numbers are there, each of which is immediately preceded by. Numbers are there which are immediately preceded by a symbol and also immediately followed by another number. दो नंबर देखने, एक दो नंबर और ये दो दिख रहा है मुझे तो. You saw your cousin taking drugs. Complain. Only a few men are in fashion industry. Some men know the art of dressing up well. ठीक है. Some men are not in fashion industry. All men are in fashion industry. Only some men are in fashion industry. Some men are know the art of dressing up. 21 17 -4 -4 हो रहा है. 13 -4 9, 15 13 +4 +4 21 +4 25 सही है. 7 7 4 7 7 1 1 9 plus. अच्छा 99 नोप 80 ये ऐड करना है, ये माइनस करना है उसमें से 3 105 नहीं होगा 3 8 + 3 112 प्लस करना है उसमें क्या प्लस करना है 11 70 11 ऑस्ट्रिच बर्ड है चेयर क्या है ऑस्ट्रिच बर्ड है चेयर क्या है फर्नीचर है ABC 6 पर B lives on an odd number of floor but not on 3. B या तो यहाँ रह सकता है या तो यहाँ रह सकता है B. The sum of floors between on B and D is 7. 5 है तो D 7 बनने के लिए 1 है तो D यहाँ होगा. E is immediately below F. E is immediately below F. E is immediately below F. C lives on the topmost floor. The C lives on the topmost floor. How many people live above E? 3. Bihar, Patna. A5 Lotus Enclave. पाटलिपुत्रा कॉलोनी एनक्लेव में क्या डिफरेंस है ये तो नहीं होगा लोटस एनक्लेव पाटलिपुत्रा कॉलोनी कॉलोनी पटना USENCLAV पाटली उत्तरा कॉलोनी पटना बिहार बिहार। टू से स्टार्ट हो रहा है। आर यू आई ई वी आई ई। सिक्स क्या है? वी। थ्री क्या है? वी आई है। फोर से क्या है? फोर फोर। ई से स्टार्ट बहुत मुश्किल है। वन। एस यू आर। थ्री क्या है? वी। फाइव आई। सिक्स फोर। वी ई। सर्वाइव। Some vehicles are cars. All cars are four wheelers. Some four wheelers are trucks. Some vehicles are trucks. Some vehicles are truck. No. Some four wheelers are vehicles. Some four wheelers are vehicle. Some trucks are cars. Some trucks are each of the 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is taller than only 3%. This is taller than only 3%. Par is taller than only Veer. Par is taller than only Veer. Misha is taller than Minshu, but not Mohini. Priya is taller than Mohini. Yes. Fish is taller than only three people. Fish. Is taller than Veer. Pari is taller than only Veer. Misha is taller than Minshu. Misha is taller than Minshu, but not Mohini. Mohin. Priya is taller than Mohin. Priya is taller than Mohin. You must drop forward. You come forward. You come. You come. तो नु बा का. Nu ba ka. L is the L is the son of L is the son of M. M is the father of M is the father of N. N is the wife of N is the wife of N is the wife of O. O, o is the son of T. P. N is the mother of L. N is the mother of L. No. N is the daughter-in-law of P. N is the daughter-in-law of P. Yes, I am. M is the son of M. O is the son of M. O is the son of M. नहीं. O is the brother of L. 24 है. -3 -3 I am I. आज तो जल्दी हो गया. झाग ज्यादा बनेगा. डिटर्जेंट अत्यधिक झाग बनाता है. अधिक झाग बनाता है. सही बात है. तो उससे साफ ज्यादा जल्दी होगा ना. रावी. PR. Which of the following is also is known as liberalization in the economy? ये क्या है? SDG 10 Sustainable Development. काय है? तुगलक डायनेस्टी. तबरी नहीं रहा भाई. चित्र विचित्र फेयर. Able bodied archer team for upcoming Asia Cup 3 stage. अब शीतल देवी, हरविंदर, दीपा मलिक, राकेश कुमार. हरविंदर सिंह है ना. What is the term used to describe the maximum displacement of an oscillatory object in equilibrium position? Piece of iron placed a solution of copper sulfate gradually develops a reddish layer, more reactive than iron, and replaces it in the solution. Copper is more reactive than iron. अलाउद्दीन खिलजी. जलालुद्दीन फिर अलाउद्दीन. गांधी इन चंपारण. इसका महात्मा गांधी सर. Recent, recently scientists discovered a giant black coral believed to be 300 400 or what is. मुझे क्या बता. Concept of poverty alleviation program in India was introduced in which in कौशल रथ. पता नहीं. तो कल भी नहीं आया था क्वेश्चन. vis corpus mandamus command prohibition suicide. वही है सेम क्वेश्चन. ये वापिस वापिस क्वेश्चन ऐसा लग रहा है सेम. इनके पास क्वेश्चन की कमी पड़ गई है क्या. which of the following state was the second state of India which reserved 50% of seat in movement पर जाए. पता नहीं. Which ministry launched a new logo of mascot of Sankhya to modernize its institutional identity and promote data-driven governance. Sankhya to modernize institutional identity and promote data-driven governance. The producer for impeachment of the President of India is deliberately made stringent. Members of Parliament of investigate the charges function and president authority. एक्सप्लेन तो नहीं करता एज अ प्रोसीजरल अथॉरिटी ड्यूरिंग impeachment प्रोसेस. स्ट्रिंजेंट इसलिए किया है आराम से निकालना जा ना पाए. The other party aimed to overthrow British rule through armed uprising during World War. No, it was seeking finance and supporting revolutionary group based outside India. Financed and supported by revolutionary groups based outside India. थोड़ा अजीब सा है. इन लोगों ने आर्म तो नहीं किया वर्ल्ड वॉर वन के. Who synthesized Hindustani classical music notation and compiled composition in the Karmic Pustak Malika. थर्टी सिक्स सिक्सटी थ्री ऐसा था कि 3169 था. 63 था शायद. Which part of India is main natural habitat of maximum number of west? साउथ वेस्ट. नॉर्थ वेस्ट होगा ना. ये राजस्थान, केरला, देवगाना, गुजरात. टू तो गलत है. आयरन ज्यादा रिएक्टिव है इसलिए तो उसको. So iron plays on solution of copper sulfate gradually develops reddish layer. ऑक्साइड हो जाता है वो. सल्फेट 8 है ना. राजेंद्र प्रसाद. राजेंद्र प्रसाद क्यों लिखेगा. डीजी तेंदुलकर. कमला दास. उड़ीसा है शायद इसका, पता नहीं पर मैं श्योर नहीं. मुझे इसका ये लग रहा है. Modernize institutional identity and promote data driven governance. Data driven तो डेटा तो यही लोग कमा रहे हैं या ये लोग कमा रहे हैं. कर्मिक पुस्तक मलिका. भटकांडे. क्रमिक पुस्तक मलिका. फोकस करना पड़ेगा। टू इक्वल पैरेलल कॉर्ड्स इज 10 सेंटीमीटर। कुल ABC PQ. R is point on the segment PQ. So that PR equals to 4. BC equals to BC पैरेलल है ये, मिड पॉइंट है तो पैरेलल होगी। 16 का डबल हो गया। बाद में देखते हैं। प्राइस ऑफ शुगर इंक्रीज बाय 25%। 4 से 3 द कंजप्शन इज डिक्रीज। 5 से 4 हो जाएगी, 20% कम करेंगे। Cost of 3 cups plus 5 plates equals to 0. Cup plus 4 plates. जिसमें से ये माइनस कर देंगे तो 6 आएगा। C 1080 840 04 240 cup plus plate. Cup equals to 480 minus 2p plus 2p t plus 480 minus 480 हो जाएगा ना। 0 2 7 320 160 हो गया। p का 160 हो गया तो कप 160 कप कितने का हो गया? 80 12 when 3 power 8 is divided by 7, 3 की पावर 9 की पावर 4 divided by 7 equals to minus 2 की पावर 4 4 8 16 Subtracting for 69 point complete the work and today how many more Find the lowest possible value of C minus B so that 7-digit number is divisible by 12. 12 4 C can be equals to 4 3s are 12 4 are 16 1738 B 9 2 9 7 2 9 8 1 9 3 B हो गया 7 3 है ना 6 और इसको मैंने 2 कर दिया 9 9 69 819 729 B 0 भी हो सकता है तो 2 हो सकता है 2 minus 0 फिर ट्रिपल the ratio of the volume of its original sphere to the nearest रेशियो रेडियस ट्रिपल्ड हो गया तो ठीक है। साइन स्क्वायर 35। ऊपर आ लगेगा। कोई नहीं, डेनोमेशन 5 3 8 प्लस 10 प्लस 15 5 20 33 4 the 12 4 the 1 equals to 4। 5 rupee coins has 540। 10,000 each। 90 10 60k minus 50k is 10k। 1 equals to 1k। Ram less than Sham's income। 10 15 5 6 4 15 into 3 45। 15 रह गया। बी एन सी लेफ्ट 5। increasing the selling price of an article by 25%। 5 4 से 5 हो गया। article becomes 250। a discount of 25% is offered on the news price। 4 4 6 are 24।4 1 are 4। 4 are 32। 32 plus 30। 32 30 7 are 28। 5 88 90 12.5 125 का लॉस। 3/5 yes। पता नहीं, समझ में नहीं आ रहा। क्या इन्वेस्टेड फोन फोन सिंपल इंटरेस्ट। नहीं आना चाहिए लास्ट में। डिस्काउंट ऑफ इतना है। 5 3 the 18 1 5 3 16 to the 12 1 5 to the 10 1 1 5 8 2 1 1 2 8 5 205 0 9 4। गड़बड़ है क्या? 6 3 the 18 1 5 3 the 15 plus 1 16 1 A square and a rectangle have same perimeter if the difference between the area is 1 square meter, then to have the divided by LB into LB। ये कैसे निकालेंगे? दोनों का डिफरेंस 1 सेंटीमीटर का होगा तो ऐसा स्क्वायर जिसका डिफरेंस दोनों में दो का हो। 8 8 4 15 by 5 3 minus 9 3 4 9 2 9 4 36 है नहीं 36 है 8 9 72 into ठीक है ना। ये हो गया 8 8/4 प्लस हो गया 15 नहीं 8 25 5 माइनस 3 9 minus 3 6 9 5 6 54 ए बी सी आर नॉन जीरो ए प्लस बी सी इक्वल टू 0 नॉन जीरो सबको मैंने 1 1 2 -1 3 3 40 km downstream plus 35 km upstream in 7 am but what in still water में अगर 6 3 2 बड़ा वाला है 3 a pool of 10 meter long rest stands on the vertical wall may be making an angle of 30 degree how far 5 root 2 high कैसे ना 1 inch 1 what is the mark price of article 24 plus 1840 into 3 8 3 22 5320 ऐसा कुछ तो है नहीं 45 plus 45 plus 8 I said that I had seen the dog in the park the previous night. System similar. Reply quickly. Clarify, assemble, destroy. As I say the word, I remember the look on her face when I told her about it. Soldiers were selected on the selection of gallantry of spirits. Were selected on the selection of gallantry of spirit. Soldiers were selected on the selection. देखते हैं इसको. Company had been through thick and thin. तो भाई हो ही नहीं रहा नीचे. When people feel and neighbors feel like Africa and everyone in Africa, people will go to great lengths to peacefully coexist. For species in an alien, however, the standard response is to eradicate with prejudice. Consider the spread of parrots across Europe. Like elephants in Africa, parrots in Europe eat human crops and otherwise disrupt human activities. Also, like elephant parrots are also highly intelligent animals who likely have rich inner lives and form meaningful relationships. But unlike elephants in Africa, parrots in Europe are considered alien, and mass parrots still have been pursued or proposed in places like England and Spain. If it were merely a question of mitigation harm, the approach we would take to parrots would thus be similar to the approach we take towards elephant. We would pursue creative solution to coexist in a way that doesn't require elimination of animal shared space. However, there is a relevant difference between the parrots and elephant. Many elephant populations and species are flagship endangered species, and we want to avoid eradicating herds because we want to preserve them. While some alien parrot species on the cusp of being threatened into a native range, and at least one is classified as endangered, and other species are such as green monk parakeets. This is pain or not has perhaps it fact that those parrots are in little danger of existence and justifies using lethal methods. Regardless of whatever a species is vulnerable or not, we should be concerned about employing unnecessary destructive methods of control. Cults cause immense suffering to sentiment animals. Poised baits used to kill of aliens can harm innocent bear standard species, and the higher sides controlled invasive plants often end up in the water supply. Lethal measures are costly measures, which is a good reason to take a to an invaders. That's why we take an united species should ecological narrative has been the become the dominant view in the environment science. For this reason, asking questions about an established research can lead to accusation of anti-environmentalism, especially when invasive species are seen as major drivers of biodiversity loss. But that could not be further from the truth. Disagreement with ecological nativists are almost entirely about what the scientific evidence support. They are not about values. In fact, I share with natives a co commitment to environmental values, including conserving health, species, and ecosystem, funding sustainable futures or humans and non-humans organization alike, and ensuring that species are retained for wildness on our increasingly human dominant planet. What does Arjun say? Ecological harvest. has become the dominant view in neuroscience. For the reason, asking questions about establishing research can lead to acquisitions of anti-environmentalism. As regarding important violence and sustainable area, supervise those who wish to see decline to improve rather than the difference of values regarding important violence. The total cessation of all inventions in ecosystem wildness. Declassification of all invasive parrots as natives to prevent further massacres. The authors uses the compassion between African and American to demonstrate that parrots possesses a level such as human management strategies are dictated more by the perceived belongings of a species than by the actual degree of its harm caused. It is the only universal accepted justification for their lethal. Alex had completed before I went to the office. I had finished some business with her. They will completing. She left tomorrow. Uh, People of Ethiopia, they have uh, lost touch with peasantry. PCDA, PC. lost touch with the percentary have most part who are trying to modernize their BD country. Opposite meaning of end collected perturb pure serene क्या करना है synonym bustling stifling bustling who should we talk to you will have been instructed the ministry will have they buy and remodel houses and then sell. I have always been successful in all my plans. When I was traveling from Delhi to Mumbai, I met a boy and a girl, who were talking. Why did you write such a letter? Why was such a letter written by you? One day, a wealthy man drove out of one. Oh, you spoiled my best sari, she said. She said she lamented that she had spoiled her best sari. हो गया जल्दी हो गया was selected on the section of gallantry of spirits. Soldiers were selected on the basis of section of the emotional suffering of sentinel aliens is only the factor that eradicating program often. जल्दी किया आज थोड़ा इजी भी क्वेश्चन थे इसमें 138.5 इसमें तो मेरे को चाहिए 100 आने चाहिए ना 100% एक्यूरेसी होनी चाहिए इसमें मेरे 2 गलत हो गए शायद 3 गलत हो गए 15 गलत So 38.5. तो ये चल रहा है हमारा ग्राफ, थोड़ा ऊपर जा रहा है, पर थोड़ी और इम्प्रूवमेंट की ज़रूरत है। 15 मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा गलत हो रहे हैं। मैथ्स में भी आज गलत हो गए हैं। मैथ्स में भी आज मेरे 100 मतलब नहीं आई है, 88 पॉइंट एक्यूरेसी आई है कुछ। रीजनिंग में भी 2 गलत हुए, जबकि मैंने रीजनिंग में सारे क्वेश्चन किए थे। तो ये ग्राफ चल रहा है हमारा। और ये आज का स्कोर। कल से अच्छा है, इम्प्रूवमेंट है। टेंशन थोड़ी कम हो रही है, मैथ्स में स्पीड बढ़ रही है। क्वेश्चन स्किप करने आ रहे हैं कि जो क्वेश्चन हो नहीं सकते उनको जल्दी छोड़ो भाई, वो बोझ है। तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही, मिलते हैं अब कल। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, सी यू टुमारो, बाय बाय।